Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Macy here. Today I'm going to be showing you our new fidgets, but before I do, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it in that time, hugs yourself. Click on, and I'll see you downstairs. Okay guys, so I'm over here, and now I'm going to show basically like new fidgets up close. Some of these are from the yesterday. Make sure you go check that out, but now let me show you. So we got this new Pop-It ball here. There it is. Very simple. Very good. Where is that fidget? There it is. Here is our new regular simple dimple. Here's it up close.
Can you please put up your cloth a little bit, or at least do something?
Okay, and then here's it up close again. Here's it back. So yeah, that's that one. Is there any other ones in here? No. Okay, I'll see you when I have the next one. And then next we have this water snake. And most of these are also from the yesterday video, but yeah. Water snake. Here's it up. Far away. So I like this one a lot actually. That one's easy. I love it, guys. Then I consider this a fidget because it's a squishmallow and stuff, and most people do. So here's it up close. It's a squishmallow. Here's it far away. Oh, and also, I'm going to be doing a edit with my friend later today, and it's gonna be for my friend's channel. And also, she is a YouTuber, and she is my friend. Comment down below if you want more real life collabs with her, or like this video if you want more real collabs with her. Subscribe if you do not. But also just in general, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out Bray Hively. That's my friend's channel. She's on the way to 15 subs. Subscribe to her. She's doing great. Here's a tangle ball. Here's it up close. It's far away. I know like usually people don't consider this as a fidget, but I do because it has like the word tangle in it and then like actual tangle. So yeah. And then we have, then we just have like this Christmas tree, other simple dimple. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Let me check if I have another. No, I don't think I do, but I don't think you guys have ever seen this fidget. So I'll count this as new. Okay. And also just for you guys, I will do a challenge. This goes for me and you guys. I bet both of us do not have 3 food fidgets. So let me see if I do. Guys, right off the bat, I see this mini strawberry Pop-It. So there's one. And then I have this big strawberry Pop-It. So here's 2. And now I just need one more. Hopefully, guys, I can find it. Yeah, I found it. I have this popsicle Pop-It, sorry. And so yeah, and just for you guys, let's do another challenge really quickly. Let's do 2 plain pink fidgets. So 2 plain pink fidgets, 1 plain pink monkey noodle. And then I see this plain pink textured monkey noodle and this plain pink mochi. So, like if you guys did those challenges, and subscribe if you couldn't do them, but don't worry, we'll be doing some more challenges. So yeah, you can always try again. That'll be it for a video today. I might do more. So yeah, if you liked it, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the post notifications on. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye, friends.